ChatGPT is not AI. So this is an argument I see in comments a lot when people are trying to sound smart, but it really isn't. If someone says this to you and you don't really know how to respond, I want to quickly give you a guide how. So first of all, the term artificial intelligence is used in a couple of different ways. That's why they might be confused. AI is a field of study academically and in technology, and ChatGPT sits within that particular field. AI is a wide subject which includes machine learning, which includes deep learning, generative AI, large language models, and then GPTs. And then we have tools, chatbots like ChatGPT, which are built using models like GPT-4. So yes, ChatGPT does fall under the banner of artificial intelligence. However, what some of these people might be saying is that ChatGPT is not AI because it is not AGI. It is not a general intelligence, instead it is a narrow intelligence. Very broadly, an AGI is able to deal with any task that you throw at it, is able to work out how to do it, whereas a narrow intelligence is not. It's able to work within certain fields and do very well. So something like AlphaGo, for example, which could play the game Go, is a narrow intelligence. It's very good at playing Go, can't do anything else. We as a species are nudging our way towards AGI, but arguably we haven't got there yet. And some people use this to criticize tools like ChatGPT, saying, well, because we haven't got here, it is not the same as a true human intelligence, therefore it is not AI. They're relying on the differentiation between a weak and a strong AI. The difficulty here is that we don't really have a strong definition of what human intelligence is. This is something philosophers and cognitive scientists have been arguing about for years. And if we don't know what the I in AI really is, then it's hard to tell when we've hit that goal. We have tests like the famous imitation game, the Turing test, which arguably has already been passed. That's why you don't hear people talking about it that much, because we now have new measures of intelligence. We keep moving the goalposts back further and further. What was mind-blowing a couple of years ago is now old hat. We get used to things very quickly. And because of these ever-shifting goals, it allows some people to criticize tools like ChatGPT and say it's not truly intelligent. Which, I mean, I guess in a way is correct. But then the question for them is, well, what is intelligence? And what would you consider an intelligent system to be? They're not going to have an answer. I mean, nobody really does. And any definition they do give of intelligence will probably keep shifting. At the end of the day, though, it doesn't really matter. This is fairly theoretical. What matters is what we're using the AIs for on a daily basis, what value we get from them. Arguing about definitions is fun, but it doesn't really change how we use these things on a day-to-day basis.